Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft Launcher if it's not launching, okay? Whether you get this error from the Xbox app or the Microsoft Store on PC. So first fix here, go ahead and right click on your start menu and then click on Terminal Admin, okay? There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. And then once that's done, go ahead and type down get -app x package space Microsoft dot gaming services space then vertical line space remove -app x package space all users. Okay, go ahead and pause the video if you want to type it down. Then once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Then go ahead and type down exit, hit on enter. Find the Microsoft Store, locate Minecraft, click on Minecraft Launcher, and test it out right here. Okay? If that doesn't work, right click on your start menu once more. Now go ahead over to settings, go to apps, installed apps, find Minecraft Launcher, click on 3 dots, advanced options, scroll down, terminate, repair, and then reset. Okay, click on reset, and if you get these errors, don't mind it. Okay, just close this one and find on your search bar, type down run, click on run. Now go ahead and type down WS reset. Okay, again WS reset, hit on OK. Now wait for it, and that way your Microsoft Store and the Xbox app cache will be cleared. All right. Now, once that's done, just go ahead and find Minecraft Launcher and reinstall it from here. Download and just wait for the process to finish, okay? And after that, you should be good to go. Hit on play and enjoy. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.